Hey, beautiful people, welcome back. It's your girl, Krystal Nykole. So, I know I've been MIA for a while, and I have a good reason for that. I started my own hair company, so that's been taking up a lot of my time. So, I want to come on camera today and just show you guys um, me bringing back this wig, well, bringing this wig back to life, should I say. This is a unit that I made, I think it was about 2 years ago. I've had this unit for 2 years now, and this is the actual hair that I currently sell on my site. So I've been testing this hair out for a very long time, and it stands up to my expectations. Like, yeah. And as you can see, this hair right here is old hair. It's I haven't wetted or anything in about a month or so. So this is how it looks, just me taking off the mannequin, and it's last me wearing it was like a month and a half ago. And so the hair still looks pretty good. It gets really big. So um, yeah, but it's really good hair. And so in my bottle, I have a mixture of warm water and a sulfate-free leave-in conditioner. And I'm just going to spray this on my hair and get it very, very saturated and wet. This hair holds up so good, y'all. Like, I'm not even kidding. Like I said, I've had this hair for a very long time because I wanted to truly, truly test the hair out and make sure that it was something that, you know, met my expectations. And it really did. Like, it really did. And as you can see the difference here with it very, very wet and with the dry side. And it's no tangling, no shedding, no anything. Like, you can really run your fingers through this hair. And I'm just making sure that the water is thoroughly saturated, in the hair. And I'm taking my Denman brush, and I'm just going to always start at the tip of the hair. Like, you want to start from the tip and then work your way up the hair shaft. Never start from the top, because when you start at the tip, it helps to, detangle. And when you move up a section, it's, already detangled at the bottom. So it makes it easier to comb through with less shedding and things like that. And I'm just making sure to comb um, all the tangles and knots or whatever out, and make sure that the water and the conditioner, is thoroughly dispensed throughout the hair. And as you can see, like, I can literally just run my fingers through this hair. And now I'm just going to take my Argan cream. I think this is a leave-in conditioner, actually, and I'll just leave that information down below for you guys. And I'm taking quite a bit, and I'm just going to start at the tips of my hair and just work my way up to the root, and just finger combing that into my hair. And make sure you take care of your ends. Like, you treat this hair as if you would treat your own hair. Your ends are the most damaged part of your hair, so you always want to make sure that you take care of your ends, and your ends will take care of you. You know what I'm saying? And so I'm just going to squeeze my hair. It's like a scrunching motion, and get some of that excess water out. Now, you can use a diffuser, but for this video, the purpose of this video, I actually just went ahead and just used a towel and just got a lot of that excess water out. And look at that. Like, it's so curly. It's so curly. And the dry side doesn't even look bad. That's the great thing. And like I said, I hadn't worn this wig in like 2 months. So, yeah. And it still looks good. And so on the other side, I'm just going to repeat the same thing. And this here is my Indian curly hair. It is up on my website currently, and it's really, really good, and it's really affordable. And so I'm just going to make sure that I do the same exact thing. Start at the tips of your hair, at the ends, and then just work your way up the hair shaft to the roots. And just make sure that I properly detangle my hair. And that's what you have to do. You have to make sure that it's properly detangled. And that also helps with the shedding issue. And as you can see, I'm running my fingers through my hair, and I literally have like no shedding. I'm not even kidding. Like, I have no shedding. Now, you will have minimal shedding. I'm not going to say that this hair just doesn't shed, because it you know, it does shed, but it's like so minimal. Like you might get one or two strings, and that's about it. Like seriously, on this video, I had nothing after having this wig sit up for about 2 months. Absolutely nothing. And so I'm just going to take some more of that leave-in cream. This cream is so good, y'all. Like it's so good for curly hair and maintaining like the softness. And the mixture that I use in combination with this stuff right here, when your curls dry, they are so soft. Like your hair is still so soft. It doesn't have that crunchy feel, that really like hard feel or anything like that. Your curls are still so soft. So these are the only products that I use on my hair, because for the simple fact, you don't want too many products and oils and things like that, and it weighs the hair down and just changes the whole vibe of the hair. So you know, sometimes less is more, and you get great results with just this mixture that I use. So I would highly recommend this mixture with this type of hair specifically, because I know for sure that it works. Even when the hair dries and get all poofy, it's still very soft curls. And so I do have some edge control coming to my site very soon, so be on the lookout for that. And I'm right here. I'm just going to lay down the front part of my hair, just my edges pretty much on both sides with my edge control. And that's pretty much it. I just really want to come on here and just show you guys like how awesome this hair is after having it for over 2 years. You know, so it's held up really, really well, and I highly recommend it. Not just because it's my hair, but I mean, if you want hair that's going to last, this is it. I promise. And as you can see, the curl and the waves is just amazing. And here's a back view of the hair. And so until next time, you guys, I love you so much, and I'll see you in a future video. Mwah. Bye.